Today we are going to discuss about question number 9, exercise 5.2, arithmetic progressions. What about this question? Observe carefully. If the third and the ninth term, what? If the third and the ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively. Third term is what? 4 and ninth term is what? Minus 8 respectively. Which term of this AP is 0? Clear? So what things we are having? First we will write these things. Observe carefully. What about its solution? In the question we are having third term is what? 4. So we can say a third equal to what? 4. A third can be written as a plus 2d. Yes or no? Third term means in the general form we write what? A plus 2d. Third term is 4th and a third means what? A plus 2d will be what? 4. And I am taking this one as equation number 1. Another thing, ninth term is what? Minus 8. Ninth term. A9 equal to what? Minus 8. A9 can be written as what? A plus 8d. Yes or no? Ninth term means what? We know well the general form of the AP. So a third means a plus 2d. A9 means a plus 8d equal to what? Minus 8. And I am taking this one as equation number 2. Observe. From these two things, third term equal to 4 and ninth term equal to minus 8. From these two things we are getting two linear, what? Two equations we are getting. Two equations we are getting in two variables. A and D are what? Two variables. A is the first term and D is what? Common difference. So, we want by using these equations, we can find what? These two variables value. A and D we can find. So, I am using elimination method to solve these two equations. So, from elimination, by using elimination method, equation 1 minus equation 2. What I am doing? I am doing equation 1 minus equation 2. I want to eliminate one variable. So, I am subtracting second one from first one. How? I am writing equation 1 a plus 2d equal to 4 and subtracting equation 2. So, first I am writing equation 2 as it is. A plus 8d equal to minus 8. Now we want what? Subtract. We want subtraction. Equation 1 minus equation 2. So equation 2 sign will be changed. So this is plus, so this will be minus. This is plus, so minus. This is minus, so this one will be what? Plus. Now both will be cancelled. 2 minus 8d, what we are getting? Minus 6d. And this one is what? Plus. This one is what? Plus. 4 plus 8 will be what? 12. So, what about the value of D? D equal to 12 upon minus 6. Once we solve, we are getting D equal to minus 2. So, we obtain value of D. Once we put D equal to minus 2 in any one equation, in equation 1 or equation 2, we are getting the value of A. Put D equal to minus 2 in equation 1. What we are doing? I am putting value of D equal to minus 2 in equation number 1. Then what we are getting? A plus 2 times of D. D is what? Minus 2 equal to 4. Solve this one. A minus 4 equal to 4. Solve this one. This can be written as what? A equal to 4 plus 4. Add both. A equal to 8. In this way, we obtain the value of A. Observe what we are doing. Simple. Two things we are having in the question. Third terms of an AP is what? 4. And ninth term of an AP is what? -8. So third term can be written as a plus 2d equal to 4. And ninth term can be written as a plus 8d equal to -8. Two equations we are having. By using elimination method, we can eliminate one variable. So we are getting d equal to -2. We are doing equation 1 minus equation 2. Then we are getting d equal to -2. Putting this value in any one equation, I am putting equation number 1, d equal to -2. Then we are getting what? A equal to 8. We obtain both variable values. A is what? First term of an AP, and d is what? Common difference. Now, which term of this AP is 0? So, we are assuming nth term of this AP is 0. What? Now, we are assuming or we can say which term of this AP is 0. We are assuming nth term of this AP is what? 0. Nth term of this AP is 0 we are assuming. Clear? Nth term. So nth term of AP formula is what? A plus n minus 1 into d equal to 0. Observe. We require which term of this AP is 0. So we are assuming nth term. Nth term value is 0. So n equal to 0. So nth term of AP is what? Formula of nth term of AP is what? A plus n minus 1 into d equal to 0. We obtained the values of A and D. Put the values of A and D in this equation. Then we can find value of n. We require n only. Clear? So put values of A and D. Put A equal to 8 and d equal to -2. Put A equal to 8 and d equal to -2. Then what we are getting? Observe what we are getting. A is what? 8 plus n minus 1 into d. D is what? -2 equal to what? 0. Simple thing. We are putting A equal to 8 and D equal to -2 in this equation. Why we are putting? Because we require number of the terms. Which term of the AP is 0? So we are assuming let nth term of AP. Let nth term of AP is what? 0. So nth term formula is this one. We are putting in values of A and D. Then we are getting this one. Solve for the n. 8 plus, solve this one, -2n. Minus plus 2 equal to 0. 8 minus 2n plus 2 equal to 0. This can be written as 2n equal to 8 plus 2, 10. And n equal to what? 10 by 2. Solve this one. N equal to 5. So which term? Fifth term. Fifth term of this AP. A first term is 8. Common difference is -2, and fifth term of this AP is what? 0. Fifth term. Clear? So n equal to 5. We are having 5 terms in the AP. Clear? And fifth term of that AP is what? 0. Observe again what we are doing in this question. Simple question. Two things we are having. Third term is 4 and ninth term is -8. Respectively means what? Third term is 4 and ninth term is what? -8. So third term means A plus 2d equal to 4. Ninth term means A plus 8d equal to -8. So in this way we are getting two equations. From these two equations we can find the values of A and D. How? By using elimination method or substitution method. So in this question we are using what? Elimination method. So elimination method, 1 minus 2 we are doing, then we are eliminating A and we are getting D equal to -2. Putting these value in any one equation, I am putting in the equation number 1 and solving, then we are getting A equal to 8. A and D we obtain. Now question is saying which term of this AP is 0? We don't know. So we are assuming nth term. Nth term of AP is 0. nth term of AP formula is this one, a plus n minus 1 into d. A and D both we are having and we require, so we are putting the values of A and D and solving for n, we are getting 5. So we can say fifth term of this AP is 0 and n number of terms. Which term? So fifth term is 0. That one is what required answer. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.